everybody, and Tigger. Hello everybody, I'm Tigger, and welcome to us on In My Hiccup is Just Fine, and we are reading everybody Hiccup helps for Hiccup. Hiccup did it every
Who's the author?
Hey, Hiccup, there's me, Hiccup.
What is the name of the cover? See?
By Pooh Anytime Stories Collection. Hiccup.
Where's Pooh? I hear Pooh.
I'm going to start off.
Pooh, can you stop being silly and get in the camera?
All I want to do is just eat my honey.
Okay, let's read, shall we? Come on, people are ready. One morning, Tigger awoke, feeling funny. His toes tingled, and his nose wriggled, and he bounced out of bed with a loud
Hiccup.
Come on, Tigger.
I'll just hold my breath, he said, bouncing higher and higher every hiccup or sip some water. But no matter what he did, Hiccups wouldn't stop. I better get some. That was a real one. Help, he said, and he bounced right out of the door and down the path into Rabbit's garden. I have a hiccup problem, he called, bouncing all over Rabbit.
You're trampling my carrots. You're squishing my squash. Huh? The rabbit cried. Come on, Tigger. Tigger. Read. Read, Tigger.
I can't say hiccup. I can't hiccup. Help it, replied Tigger.
Have you tried wiggling your ears and winking one eye? Tigger tried, but it didn't work. So he bounced off to find another remedy.
Boom. Hey, ow. Hey. Wait.
Yes, you're right there.
Hey, ow. Tigger said, bouncing into his wise friend's home.
Come on, read.
You're smart. You must know a cure for the.
You must recite the alphabet backwards, then forwards. Al, aka Daisy, advised. So Tigger tried it.
Z-X-Y, Z-Y-X, hiccup, A-B-C. He bounced right to Al's bookshelf, knocking all over the floor.
Come on, read it, Tigger.
Sorry, Al. Say, Al. She said as he hurried out to find Pooh.
That's you, Pooh.
You stand on.
Why is Pooh upside down?
You stand on one foot.
Nothing Lou says.
I have a cure that always works, Pooh said, demonstrating. You stand on one foot while
Louder,
you
though,
rub
Pooh.
your tummy with one hand and eat some delicious honey with the other. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. It seems to make it worse, Tigger said, bouncing. His bouncing was out of control.
All of Pooh's honey pots tumbled off the cupboard shelves and onto the floor. This is quite serious, said Owl, as he and Rabbit looked in on the mess. Rabbit. Serious hiccups. Tigger was making in Pooh's house. We must find a way to cure Tigger. Yes, I'd say so myself. We'd find a way. Think hard, instructed Owl. How did this start? Go ahead, Tigger. How did it start?
I was sleeping, and a feather from a pillow tickled my nose, answered Tigger. And the next thing I knew, hiccup.
Owl said, that gives me an idea. He huddled with Rabbit and Pooh. Huddle. Let's think. Idea. Come, huddle together. Let's huddle. Huddle. Okay, we got the idea. Ready? What was the idea? He huddled. I think we can make Tigger's hiccups stop the same way they started, he said. Rabbit and Pooh nodded. Rabbit and Pooh nodded. And they knew what needed to be done. Go, Tigger.
Hey, what's going on? Tigger asked as Owl, Rabbit, and Pooh
surround. They tickled his tummy until he wriggled and giggled.
Stop, Tigger. That tickles, by the time you stop tickling, something else has stopped too. My hiccups, they're gone. I'm cured.
Hooray! Cheered his friends. Their friends stared at Tigger.
Hiccup.
What did he say?
Hiccup! The friends stared at him. Just kidding. He chuckled. Then they bounced happy home.
We cured all the hiccups. We cured all the hiccups. I say we helped you out, friend. Yes.
Yay!
No.
I'm showing!
You weren't supposed to be here today, right?
Yes.
I think we were supposed to just be hiding. It's our show. It's the Winnie the Pooh show.
Now I'm out.
Tell the people what?
Hiccup!
Tell the people to hiccup.
Thank you for watching us read Winnie the Pooh.
Help for
Hiccup!